So today we are looking at matrix arithmetic, which is just we're going to look at adding and subtracting matrices. So if we have, two, we'll add and subtract. And we're going to do scalar. This is scalar. You might need to write the word there. Multiplication. Okay, so scalar multiplication is just when you have a just one number outside the matrix, just like that. So later on we'll do matrices times by another matrix. This is not what we're doing today, okay? So just when we have a number outside. So let's just have a look at what happens. So if we have, we've got this first matrix here. And sorry, I'll just highlight it there. So with this first matrix, what's the order of this first matrix?
2 by 2.
Good, a 2 by 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to add it to this next matrix here. And what is the order of this next matrix? Good. So when you add matrices, they have to be the same order. And the reason that is because this A, the spot, is going to get added with the same spot in the other one. So therefore the answer would become whatever they are if you add them together. So that's why they have to be the same. So let's do this example down here where we're going to say we're going to plus matrix A plus matrix B. So you can see that this matrix is a 2 by 3 and this is also a 2 by 3. So what is the same spots are going to get added together. So you'll have 2 plus 1 and then you'll have 3 plus 2 because of those spots, and then you'll have 0 plus 3. Then you'll have down here 1 plus 2, 4 plus negative 2, and 2 plus 1. And so then you just add them all up. So obviously 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, that one's 3, 3, 4 plus a minus 2 will be 2, and that will be 3. So you can see your answer will also have the same order, won't it? And it should be because we're adding the same spot. So your order will also have the same. So now that we've done that, what do you think we do when we'll just take away from the same spot. So see that, we'll just minus the same spot. So if down here we decided to do matrix A minus matrix B, what we'll have is this spot minus that spot. So 2 minus 1. And then we'll have 3 minus 2 and 0 minus 3. Then down on the bottom, 1 minus 2. Now be careful with this because we got 4 minus a minus 2. So what does that become? Yeah, so this, when you've got a minus and a minus, that becomes a plus. So our final answer for this one will be 1, 1, negative 3. This will be negative 1. This will be 6. And that will be 1. Okay? So you simply do them. So if you're just doing them, they're pretty easy just to quickly do in your head. Like you don't need to type it in the calculator. When you might pop it in the calculator is, say I have a matrix and we might start getting, you might end up with, say, fractions. And, so 1/5, and then you're adding it with another one that has other fractions and they could be, all different. Sorry. So we could have 1/9 and all that. So if it was like that, where, it's not easy to add them, just type it up in your calculator and add it. Yeah? So you just do that matrix plus the other one and you'd get the answer. Okay? So the calculator can handle that. So if you can't add them because they're a bit difficult, the numbers, just do it like that. All right.